All right, so we've got a new technique we're testing out and a new setup. So the new setup is just cover of a plastic bin, and I have a piece of press and steel wrap, plastic wrap. It's got a rim, so I'm hoping this isn't a lot of paint project. And I got 2 pieces of wood that I've been using, and the canvas won't stick. So we're gonna try to do the string pull and chain pull. I've not done them, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on that. I haven't canvas, this is something I did a while ago, not happy with it, so I'm just gonna go right over it. But here's a happy accident. I tried to swipe, didn't come out right, but I did the string, I did the trees with just a piece of string and white paint, and I think it looks really good. So that was one of those happy accidents. So that's cool. All right, so let's get going. Same paints as before, the Artist Loft pre-mixed, ready mix pouring paint. I've got black, white, and metallic white, silver, almost empty, and fluorescent neon yellow by Arteza. All of them are ready mix. So just gonna start out, I got my gloves, I got some paper towels, and we'll see. So all I'm using is a piece of string, twine, cut into some lengths, and then the pulls are just a chain pull, from your light. We got this at Lowe's, pretty inexpensive. So first, I'm gonna get this covered in black, because this was not good. So we'll see if that's enough paint. Doesn't look like it. Maybe I can just spread it out a bit. Yeah, spread it out. So hope you're well. So I hope you guys subscribe to this channel. So this channel is all about testing techniques that I've been watching, and before I do a video for the library, I want to make sure I can do the technique. So this is kind of a testing out the YouTube channel, testing out the technique. So I hope you subscribe, hit the red button and subscribe to my channel, which is just my name, and or the library channel, where the technique and the projects are up. So I'm gonna just try to get it over the edges. Even this doesn't have to be totally pretty because we're just testing it out. So I've got my gloves on, and I think that's enough paint. Like I said, it's a test. So, all right, so we're gonna, all right, I need paper towel. All right, so I'm gonna start out with the string pull. So all I'm doing is taking my, I just got paint here, taking my string, my white paint, dipping the string. I'm not gonna dip the whole end. I'm gonna keep one end out. And looks like I've got black on me. so hopefully you can see that. I'm putting the string in the white paint. I didn't do anything to the paint. And then, I don't want the edge in. All right, so I'm just gonna pull the string out. Now the string's covered in paint. Sometimes it's too much, so I'm just gonna kind of put the brush and have it go against the side of the cup. We'll see. All right. You have to lay it a certain way. We'll see. So a zigzag. Here we go. Here we go. I'm probably gonna need more paper towels. And then, so it's just like a Z, and we're gonna pull it. It's supposed to make a flower. Oh, it's already starting. So you just pull straight. And there we go. It worked. That's pretty. I actually like that. All right. Then I'm going to try it with the chain. So here's the chain. Same. I'm going to do the same way. Hopefully this is in the camera. Same way. Got it in the cup. And just kind of rubbing it against the side of the cup. All right, which way? And do it this way. And then pull straight towards yourself, which, look at the difference the chain makes, which is really pretty. I'm just putting that on the paper towel. That's pretty. All right, let's try a little silver. Silver paint. Seems to be working. Yay! We'll try the string again. I know, too much too quiet here. So I'm not gonna stick the whole string in there. So like I said, this is just a testing. I've been watching videos and I've been doing a art program for the library, Bridgewater Public Library. They have a YouTube channel. We post everything on the YouTube channel. And we'd love it if you subscribe. We're having a little fun with art. Hoping people join us. Okay, another string. I'm gonna do it this way, I guess. So this will be smaller. So this is the silver. I'm gonna pull it towards the center. So I like the white better. Okay. There's another technique you're gonna use, instead of dipping your chain or string in the paint, you make dots, and so I'm gonna try to do that. But this isn't a squeeze bottle. I'm just testing like we said. So I'm just gonna make a couple of that's not good. All right, good enough. I don't want to totally mess it up. So then I'm going to take my chain and I'm going to put it over the dots, and then and that doesn't work. Look at that. It doesn't work. Or I'm not doing it right. I'm sure it works. I'm not doing it right. So that's a bummer. How do I fix it? Pretty much pulling it off. Too bad. All right. Maybe if I don't have enough cups here, so that's a bummer. So I do like the yellow. I'm just gonna put the yellow in with that white. And I'm going to see if I can get some yellow on this chain and fix it, because it is looking pretty good. All right, not too bad. So, and then you could take your spatula and fix it up a bit, but I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. So it does work, which is cool. That's it. That's the technique I'm testing. The string pull and the chain pull, which the flower does work. The dot thing, I probably just messed up and it didn't come out right. So that's it, people. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, hit the red button, and peace.